say my name?
Okay, go ahead.
I'm going to. I'm saying my name's Mark. I've been out here for a couple of years now on the streets. I just met this lady. She gave me a pair of gloves and hygiene. Right here in my pocket. I really appreciate it that she could help me out.
Now, how do you stay dry?
Well, there's a place back over here. It's got a cover. When it rains, we go there in the fields right down there.
Okay.
And that's how we do it. We move from that location over there between 4th and 3rd Street.
And do you ever worry about your safety?
No,
no,
not anymore. It don't even matter, really.
No?
You get used to it. Something's going to happen, it's going to happen. We don't worry about it, do we?
So this is Scotty.
Scotty, yeah.
Scotty, okay.
Yeah, he's a good friend. I've known him for a long time. I got me a pair of gloves. That's what I needed. I got a hat and a coat.
You don't need another knit cap?
No.
You sure?
I mean, I should be good.
Okay. All right, sweetie.
Thank you for
And listen, give me your hand. I want you to know that God loves you, okay?
Oh, I know He does.
And He looks after you. You may not know it, but He looks after you. He's been keeping you safe all this time.
I know.
And I'm going to pray that He will send you the things that you need to get you back on your feet, get your own place to stay. My name is Miss Grace.
Miss Grace.
And, you know, after church, I always come around driving looking for homeless people. And you see my trunk. It's full of things to hand out.
I've seen that. You gave me this. I needed this, really. I did.
Yeah, okay.
It's got soap and a razor and everything.
Yeah.
That's a bad thing. You don't get to shave much.
Now you just need water.
Yeah. I got everything in here.
Okay.
And I got my gloves. And
okay, sweetie. Thank you for sharing your story, okay?
Hey, anytime.
Okay.
I don't got nothing to hide. It's the truth.